Your shift starts at 6 a.m., but the pre-use checklist isn't completed yet. You're stuck waiting, unable to start. It's frustrating. You think, this could have been done earlier. But then you realize, without a clear routine, it's easy to miss steps or leave things incomplete. Later in the day, while operations are in full swing, something feels off. Contamination sign pops up. You're not sure what to do next, and neither are your teammates. This uncertainty affects everything. Production slows, and the pressure builds. But imagine knowing exactly what to do every single time. In this video, you'll learn how to stay in control of contamination risks. You'll have the confidence to act swiftly, ensuring your cleanroom stays safe and ready for use. Now, let's explore what being ready truly means in contamination control. Being ready in contamination control means achieving a state where the controlled environment meets verified cleanliness standards. It's not about appearances, it's about measurable results. Even if a space looks spotless, readiness requires proving that contamination control measures are effective. This includes ensuring the area is free from invisible threats like microscopic particles and microorganisms that could compromise sterility. Every surface, piece of equipment, and environmental factor must comply with strict cleanliness criteria. These standards are established to safeguard the controlled area and maintain its integrity throughout operations. Readiness, therefore, is an active demonstration. It's the assurance that conditions are not just assumed to be clean, but are proven to meet the required threshold for contamination prevention. To understand readiness better, let's see how it aligns with contamination control principles. Readiness ensures that a controlled environment meets all requirements to maintain sterility and product quality. It aligns closely with the principles of contamination control, forming a cornerstone of the medical device quality framework. This connection relies on robust preventive measures, including validated sterilization processes and good manufacturing practices. These measures minimize risks such as particulate or microbiological contamination. Cleanrooms are classified by cleanliness levels, like ISO 7 or ISO 8. These levels dictate specific cleaning, decontamination, and monitoring processes to control bioburden and particulate matter. Regular testing and trend analysis ensure standards are consistently upheld. Next, we'll look at the criteria that confirm an area is ready for use. Every controlled area has specific readiness criteria. These ensure the environment is fit for its intended purpose and maintains contamination control. You begin by understanding the readiness criteria outlined in your organization's guidelines. These might include cleanliness levels, equipment functionality, and environmental conditions. Reviewing documentation, such as cleaning records and maintenance logs, is crucial to confirm everything is up to date and compliant. A visual inspection helps identify visible signs of contamination or non-compliance. Checking that equipment is operational and calibrated adds another layer of assurance. Ensuring environmental parameters like temperature and humidity meet the required standards completes the process. Each step contributes to confirming the area is ready for use. Addressing any deviations promptly avoids risks to product quality and safety, ensuring operations can proceed with confidence. With readiness established, let's move on to contamination control during operations. Contamination control during operations requires constant vigilance. Changes in the environment, equipment, or protocols can introduce risks that need immediate attention. Start by observing your surroundings. Look for visible particles, unexpected residues, or any noticeable shifts in air quality. Such signs often indicate a potential issue. Be mindful of equipment. Unusual sounds, leaks, or malfunctions can compromise the controlled environment. Keep an eye on temperature and humidity levels, as deviations from acceptable ranges signal a potential breakdown in control. Pay attention to personnel behavior. Proper clean room attire and minimal movement are key to maintaining sterility. Ensure that all protocols are consistently followed. These proactive habits help prevent contamination before it escalates. By staying alert to these signs, you contribute directly to preserving the integrity of the cleanroom and ensuring the safety of the final product. Every detail matters in maintaining a contamination-free environment. But what happens when contamination control breaks down? Let's find out. When contamination control fails, your immediate response shapes the outcome. Ceasing or holding the activity in the affected area prevents the issue from escalating. Securing the zone by restricting access safeguards the rest of the cleanroom environment. Accurate documentation ensures that every detail about the incident is captured, from its location to potential causes. This information plays a critical role when notifying the right personnel, like the quality assurance team or the cleanroom manager. Their expertise is essential for addressing the problem effectively. Acting quickly and methodically protects product quality and maintains compliance with established standards. This approach not only prevents further risks, but also reinforces trust in your processes. As we come to the end of this video, let's recap the essentials together. A cleanroom that looks spotless isn't automatically ready for use. Readiness means that contamination control conditions are actively demonstrated and proven through measurable criteria. This readiness aligns with the medical device quality framework, ensuring product protection through documented and controlled processes. Before using a cleanroom, you need to confirm that all readiness criteria are met. During operations, stay vigilant for any signs suggesting contamination control may no longer be maintained. If control is compromised, stop or hold activities, document the incident, and escalate it to the appropriate team to address the issue. By following these practices, you ensure that your cleanroom remains safe, compliant, and ready to support the production of high-quality, contamination-free products. This video has now come to an end. But this is just the beginning of applying what you've learned. Start by speaking to a senior quality assurance colleague. Ask them how they confirm a controlled area is ready and handle deviations. Pay close attention to any tips or best practices they share and make notes for future reference. During your next shift, take a moment to observe your environment closely. Look for any signs of non-compliance, whether it's visible particles or equipment issues. Reflect on how these align with the readiness criteria you've just learned. Every action you take to maintain contamination control makes a difference. Keep practicing, stay curious, and never hesitate to ask questions. See you in the next video. Until then, keep up the great work.